My last album, Deadbeat Poets, I released it in January. उसके गाने मैंने सारे upload कर दिए थे. Just 2 days before the release, I heard one of the songs on a new pair of headphones, and मैंने कहा, this is all wrong. And I went and I emailed everybody, got the album deleted, got it taken down from everywhere, went back, fixed the mix, exported all the tracks again, then uploaded again, because it's not, this process never ends. मेरा नाम अब्दुल्ला सिद्दीकी है. I'm a singer, songwriter, music producer. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Lahore. My grandmother, my mother's mother, was a singer, and my mother's sisters were singers, always very into, literature and poetry. And so that sort of really contributed to my musical sort of journey. Shattered trees in my own woods. I can touch my skin. A lot of times they don't understand what I'm doing, but sometimes if it resonates with them, even though it's not similar to anything that they listen to, that's how I know that it's working. Daydreams and nightmares. Why are you here? Yeah, I think they were sort of surprised to see me start to incorporate Desi music, because my entire life they've been very adamant that I start singing in Urdu and then I start listening to local music and incorporating that, and I was very stubborn about it. So all of a sudden when I went to America, and that's when I started adding Desi touches to my music, so that really sort of surprised them.
पाकिस्तान में आपने किन सिंगर्स के लिए कंपोजिंग की? कोई ऐसा सिंगर जिसके बारे में आप कहें उसके साथ काम करके बहुत मजा आया?
मैंने फवाद खान के लिए गाना प्रोड्यूस किया फॉर पेप्सी बैटल ऑफ बैंड्स. फिर मीशा शाफी के लिए 2-3 गाने किए मैंने. आयमा बेग के साथ मैंने भी गाने किया था. तो इसमें काफ़ी सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं, and they're all very different. Every artist has a very different. I will say कि मीशा के साथ काफ़ी मेरा I have a very strong creative relationship with her, because we've made many songs over quarantine, because we've just been in touch and making lots of music together. Other singers and artists have had work with me and then to have me write something for them in English. For example, I'm a big, right? Like, she is not somebody who is known for singing in English, but when she worked with me, she insisted on singing in English, because a lot of these artists, like me, have grown up listening to English music. My first album, there's a lot of references to philosophy, Western philosophy, and a lot of references to science, because at the time I was just, a science student. And, when you learn about advanced chemistry and physics for the first time, it does kind of blow your mind. That sort of, I started thinking of science in tandem with my emotions, and it created this very interesting kind of hybrid. So, like, if you listen to my first album, which is called Metanoia, there's a lot of references to science and a lot of references to philosophy, because that's what I was reading at the time.
So, ये जो म्यूजिक का शौक था, इसको आपको सहूलियत किस तरह के उन दिनों में दस्तयाब थी, या आपने किस तरीके से वो मैनेज और अरेंज की?
जब मैंने शुरू किया था तो उस वक्त I just had one computer, वो भी काफ़ी पुराना और मतलब कि ख़राब था. तो उसके बाद मैंने एक iPad लिया. 8 ट्रैक्स के साथ एक आप गाना बना सकते थे. मैंने iPad पे प्रोडक्शन शुरू की. थोड़ी देर बाद वो iPad भी टूट गया. I never had professional computers or like a studio or anything. The first time I got a proper computer is when I had to buy it myself from my earnings from music.
First earning किस एज ग्रुप में हुई और कितनी हुई? क्या आपके जो एक्साइटमेंट थी?
मैं जब था I think 18 का, तो उस वक्त I played a music festival, and that was the first time I got paid. लेकिन honestly for musicians, income तभी शुरू होती है when you start doing commercial work. I occupy a very strange position in the industry, because I have all sorts of, institutional recognition, right? You mentioned the Forbes list, I have lots of, awards, nominations, and it's like cheezein. And in terms of the people that I'm connected with, I'm very connected with a lot of, mainstream artists. I'm doing a lot of brand work, a lot of commercial work. So I'm very established within the industry, but I don't have like a mass following.